afternoon. This is Lance Bryce with Thrive Mortgage. Today is Thursday, the 20th of January. I hope you're doing well. Not much good news to share on today's call. Interest rates, national average, according to Mortgage News Daily, is 3.69%. So we're knocking on the door of 3 3/4 on the national average. That's a very significant increase in rates, folks. We have seen rates with that mark. That's the highest that they've been since the 2nd of January 2020. So we're sitting at fresh 2-year highs with regard to interest rates. It could be worse. The Dow is down 1,200 points so far this week. We had an over 300 point sell-off in the last few minutes of trading. What's moving the market, what's moving the Dow, of course, COVID, just the explosion of Omicron on the scene has caused quite a bit of a surge in jobless claims. It's also causing a big ding in travel stocks as they are all lowering their expectations for travel in the near future. So that's causing those stocks to sell off. But also you've got broad concerns about the unrest in Ukraine. You've got Russia looking more and more emboldened to move into Ukraine. The press conference yesterday from the White House did not help tensions in that regard. And of course, inflation is still the underwriting concern. And when inflation gets over 7%, as it is now, a 40-year high, that's enough to rattle both stocks and bonds. And you're seeing stocks respond accordingly. So we're down over 4% on the Dow Jones so far this year, with interest rates up to fresh 2-year highs. Folks, it's worth noting that just in the last 12 months, we have passed and signed into law $5 trillion in new deficit spending. When you add to that the fact that over the last 3 years, we have had an unprecedented amount of equity unlocked into the marketplace. We are all seeing folks moving. Nearly a third of the country has changed their housing circumstance over the last 2 years. When you factor all of that money into the stimulus provided by the government, into the deficit spending, and then you add to that supply chain issues related to COVID, we've really got the perfect storm for interest rates and inflation to continue to soar. So expect that to be the case. If you're looking for the market to drop and for interest rates to return, I'm afraid you may be waiting quite a while. It's going to take a significant change for that to have any shot at occurring. So in any event, it's information that's important for you and for your clients. I hope this is helpful. We will talk to you soon. Have a great day. Stay blessed. Stay safe. We'll talk to you next Thursday.